Are you looking at best rolling duffel bags? Rolling duffel bags are an essential travel companion for adventurers, frequent flyers, and anyone seeking a versatile luggage solution. Combining the portability of a duffel bag with the convenience of wheels and retractable handles. These bags offer a practical solution for carrying heavy loads over long distances. In this review, we analyze 5 popular rolling duffel bags across various price points, brands, and features. List 1. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is the most affordable option in our lineup, priced at just $17.99. It features a 600 denier polyester construction, inline skate wheels, and a retractable handle system, with dimensions of 22 inches length by 12 inches width by 11 inches height. It offers a compact yet functional design suitable for short trips or gym use. The 2 front zippered compartments and ergonomic shoulder strap add to its versatility. While the Rockland bag is lightweight and easy to maneuver, its smaller size and basic construction make it less suitable for extended travel. The inline skate wheels perform well on smooth surfaces, but the bag struggles with uneven terrain. Its lack of additional padding and limited organizational compartments may not appeal to users with more demanding storage needs. However, for the price, it delivers solid value for casual use. List 2. Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag. The Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. Priced at $48.99. It features a durable polyester build and a spacious main compartment, making it ideal for weekend trips or moderate travel. The telescopic handle and inline wheels ensure smooth navigation, while its sporty design appeals to younger travelers. The Wrangler bag excels in providing ample storage space for its price point. However, its build quality, while decent, may not withstand heavy-duty use over time. The lack of multiple organizational compartments might be a drawback for users who prioritize item separation. Overall, it's a reliable mid-range option for travelers seeking a balance of cost and functionality. List number 3. Amazon Basics 35-inch large rolling duffel bag with wheels. The Amazon Basics 35-inch large rolling duffel bag is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $96.04. Crafted from durable ripstop polyester, it offers a massive 137-liter capacity, making it ideal for extended trips. The bag features multiple compartments for organized packing, a telescopic handle, and inline wheels for smooth navigation. Its black, minimalist design ensures it remains stylish and practical. This bag stands out for its robust construction and ample storage space. It's perfect for long vacations or trips requiring significant gear. The multiple compartments allow for excellent organization, and the ripstop material ensures durability. However, at 5.4 kilograms, it is heavier than most competitors, which might be a concern for travelers prioritizing lightweight options. Despite its higher price, the Amazon Basics bag offers excellent value for those needing a high-capacity, durable solution. List number 4. Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Wheels. The Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Bag features a sporty design and a 30-inch size, making it a versatile option for weekend getaways or sports trips. Its brushed polyester material and riveted runners enhance durability, while the U-shaped top opening simplifies packing. The recessed wheel system and rubber feet provide added stability, and the bag includes multiple zippered compartments for organization. This bag offers a great balance of size and functionality, appealing to users who need a mid-sized solution. The recessed wheels and riveted runners improve durability, but at 7.18 pounds, it is one of the heavier options. While it performs well for most use cases, it may not be ideal for those looking for ultra-lightweight travel gear. Its sporty aesthetic and durable build make it a strong contender in the mid-range category. List 5. Finnhomie 120L Foldable Rolling Duffel Bag with 3 wheels.
The Finnhomie 120L foldable rolling duffel bag offers a unique combination of high capacity and portability. Priced at $26.99. With its 120-liter capacity and foldable design, it is ideal for users who need a large bag that can be stored compactly when not in use. The three-wheel system enhances stability, and the lightweight construction makes it easy to handle. While the Finnhomie bag provides excellent storage and portability, its lightweight construction may raise durability concerns for frequent travelers. The three-wheel design performs well on flat surfaces, but struggles slightly on uneven terrain. Despite these minor drawbacks, its foldable design and affordable price make it an excellent choice for occasional travelers or those with limited storage space.